Namba ya arwaru a murimu wa coronavirus guku bururi-ini riu irugameire andu 5,533 na o ni thutha wa andu angi 189 gwikirwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu uyu umuthi.
Today's 148 cases are Kenyans with the exception of one foreigner, and 94 of them are males and 55 are females. The youngest one is 1 year old infant, while the oldest is 76 years old.
Gukinyiria riu andu 609 nio marathi na mbere kurigitirwo thibitari-ini ngurani guku bururi-ini 18 makihatiririo muno makiria.
4 are in the Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital, out of which 1 is intubated and 3 are on oxygen. 3 are in Nairobi Hospital, 2 are on oxygen, and 1 is on the mechanical ventilation. We have 2 in Aga Khan Hospital, where 1 is intubated on mechanical ventilation and 1 is only on oxygen. We have 4 in Ampisha, and they are all on mechanical ventilation. We have 4 in KNH, 1 is on mechanical ventilation and 3 are on oxygen only. And we have 1 in Mombasa Hospital who is intubated.
Kaunti ya Nairobi noyo itongoretie hari kwandikithia namba nene ya arwaru.
Nairobi leads with 73 cases, followed by Mombasa with 20, Kajiado 15, Siaya 13, Busia 9, Kiambu 8, Taita Taveta 3, Machakos 3, Kilifi, Nakuru, Nandi, Bungoma, and Isiolo with 1 each.
Thutha wa andu angi 48 kurekererio gucoka mucii thutha wa kurigitwo, riu namba ino irugameire andu 1,905 nayo namba ya aria makuite ikiongerereka na andu angi 5 na gukinyeria andu 137.
Know that COVID-19 will cause fatalities. We also know that it will cause fatalities generally in a particular subset of the population, and these would be people who are old and who may have underlying conditions.
Mwihoko wa maundu gucokereria ota mutugo ona kuhanura uguo uhocetio mehariria-ini ma thirikari cia kaunti, thirikari ikiuga thengia ya kuhariria itanda iria irabatarania ni mekwambiriria guthomithia maabitha a urigitani uria mangihota gukurana na gukinyira arwaru a murimu uyu.
We are continuing as a ministry to cascade this training to the counties so they are able to conduct these 3 key activities in this response: surveillance, contact tracing and response to the pandemic, and more so as we get into home-based care. We also intend in the next few days to start escalating home-based care training to the counties, which is also an important component of the response into the counties beyond the 300-bed capacity requirement.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.